Come test drive the 2019 Ford Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, front bucket seats, front license plate bracket, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set. Come see the car for yourself.